Hello. In this presentation, we'll be walking through the walking piano software. The team that created this software consists of myself, Devin Martin, and my teammate Wesley Anding. Throughout the project, our project partner was Dr. Patrick Joseph Donnelly from Soundbender Lab. Wesley will be walking you through the main objectives and the main details of our project, and I will be back to give a live demonstration of the project in action at the end.
The Walking Piano software project is a portion of a larger project that meshes a grand player piano with a hardware MIDI controller walking piano with our software solution for an innovative game that required no prior musical knowledge or experience. For this solution, we came up with 4 main objectives to accomplish the goal for this project. Our first objective is to provide an intuitive menu system for easy setup and allow the user to choose from a variety of setting and game modes. For this objective, we found a programming package, Piglet, that was both easy to use and met our needs. Using Piglet, we created a straightforward menu system, made sure it's easy to navigate, but still allowed for control and customization by the user. This was our result for our main menu page. Creating a simplistic menu makes navigation between modes and settings a breeze. Our settings menu allows the user a variety of customization options that include the ability to select your MIDI input and output, an autoplay mode, and your MIDI controller size. Left autoplay means left hand only, player 2 is automatically played. This allows two-player mode to be attempted with one person, opening up for more songs and an enjoyable experience to play along. For our second objective, we wanted to utilize a MIDI file library to provide a curated list of songs to play on the piano. Using another programming package, Mido, we were able to easily read, play, and manipulate MIDI files. This is the result of one page of songs available in challenge mode. There are many songs available in challenge mode, practice mode, and jukebox mode, all curated to be easily played in their respective modes. For our third objective, we wanted to accomplish the core function of the software, the design of the visual interface of the piano. Again, we used Piglet to achieve this objective, creating a stunning virtual piano with falling notes to aid in the proper playing of the music. Our result for this objective is a brilliant virtual piano, labels for the keys, and falling notes that in certain modes show separate notes for each hand. Our final objective is to provide a feedback mechanism to assess the user on their accuracy and visually show them how they did. Using a color system, we assigned green for perfect, yellow for okay, and red for wrong. In addition, we added a simple score system to reward users for hitting notes correctly. The end result of this objective shows our feedback system, with the color changing notes, as well as the score in the upper right of the frame. Our software architecture gives an important high-level understanding of the interconnections of our product. We have our start file that runs our main menu in game logic. This takes the piano and other inputs to feed into the piano game file, which handles the UI and the core game logic for the piano. Inside that, we have inputs that come from the MIDI processor as songs are selected, which in turn pulls the selected MIDI file and processes it for playing in the game. Next, Devin will give a full demo showcasing and explaining our software.
Hello again. So we can now look at the live software for the walking piano project. We have a variety of modes you can pick from on this main menu, but let's first take a look at the settings page. Within the settings page, you can select your MIDI output device as well as your MIDI input device, and since I have my EMU keyboard plugged in here, we'll select that one. If you plug in any keyboard to your computer or laptop or whatever device you're using to run the program, it should easily pop up here automatically and you can select it to play. We also have this autoplay option, which will allow you to automatically play all the notes with the left hand or automatically play all the notes, and both these options could be used to demo songs or attempt a two-player song if you're all alone and you only want to use the right hand. We also have some options for the controller size, where You can have the full 88 key piano or the only 49 key piano. And since my piano only has 49 keys, we'll be demoing in this 49 key mode. So beyond that, we can take a look at the free play mode. Within free play, the user has the freedom to play whatever they want while still kind of visualizing what they're doing in our interface here. Since my piano is connected, I can just play any note. Beyond that, we also have a practice mode. This mode was a major hit at the Corvallis 2024 Expo, and we only have a couple songs, but these songs all worked pretty well. Within this practice mode, the notes will fall, but if you don't hit the note on time, the game will freeze, waiting for the user to hit the right note. For example, if I play a wrong note, nothing will happen, but the moment I play the right note, the game will resume. That mode was a major hit at the expo, and many young students and old people alike enjoyed the game because they were allowed to play piano without having any experience whatsoever. Beyond that, we also have this challenge mode, which is the main feature of the walking piano project. We have options for both one-player modes, in which only the right-hand notes will be generated, and two-player mode, where all the notes will be generated. And for demonstration purposes, I can show it off in two-player mode with only the left hand being played, or the left hand being played automatically. We also have a couple different difficulties you can choose from: easy, challenge, and impossible. Within these different difficulties, there are songs of varying skill level, but I believe that easy is for anybody, and anybody could attempt these few songs. So I can attempt this one song here live and see how I do. So yes, I'm not the best piano player, but even with that, I'm still able to play a song easily using the guidance of our program. Beyond that, we also have one final feature, which is the jukebox mode, and within the feature of the jukebox, you can select a variety of songs, all from the Maestro dataset, and hear any of these songs played automatically. So yeah, beyond that, the final feature I'd like to show off would be the autoplay for both, and we can show off a much more challenging song that I could not play personally, but it shows the strengths of the program. And that's just one example of a challenging song, but to show one more, we could maybe select this Dancing in the Moonlight. Within that mode, you may have noticed some notes going outside of the range of my 49 key piano. If you had an 88 key piano and chose the 88 key mode, it would be much better for a song like that. But nonetheless, you can still try to play the notes you can with the 49 key piano. But yes, thank you for your interest in the walking piano software. This concludes the live demonstration.